Let me start with the definitions and then I will explain you with the picture. So देखते हैं हम. So aromatization is a what? A chemical reaction of aliphatic. Aliphatic means alkane, alkene. Okay, we can say single chain also of aliphatic compound of hydrocarbon. Hc means hydrocarbons. Is converted into aromatic compound. Aromatic compound means which make ring or benzene by dehydrogenation. Important. This is important and this is converted. Okay, aromatic compound by dehydrogenation with the help of catalyst. Heat and atmospheric pressure. But here one thing is very, very important, that it should be the N-alkaline or alkane must be 6 or more atoms of carbon. याद रखिए कि कभी भी रिंग बनाना है तो 6 से ऊपर ही होगा, पॉसिबल होगा. Hexagon. Now here, so for example, you take C6H14. It's called an hexane. Okay. Now see here. Take CH3 here, CH3 here, CH2, 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 CH2. Now count it here. First focus on the carbon. Carbon पे ध्यान दीजिए. Carbon कितने हैं यहाँ पर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is correct. Now count hydrogen atoms. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. That is correct. Now I have to use, remember one thing, the aromatization depends upon the heating and atmospheric pressure along with what? Catalyst. Catalyst means what? हिंदी catalyst को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Which increase the rate of a reaction in chemistry. In biology में इसको हम बोलते हैं enzyme, या दूसरा वर्ड भी हम बोल सकते हैं हार्मोन्स भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, जब भी कोई रिएक्शन इंक्रीज करना है, ठीक है, जैसे कि मुझे पानी गर्म करना है तो मैं धूप में रखूंगा, कितना टाइम लगेगा? बहुत टाइम लगेगा. उसके लिए क्या करूंगा? उसके लिए मैं या तो पानी या मैं गैस से या फिर चूल्हे से जल्दी जल्दी गर्म कर दूंगा, तो उसमें टाइम कम बनेगा, तो इंक्रीज द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन मोर. सो नाउ टू मेक दिस चेंज आई नीड कैटलिस्ट. सो नाउ हियर यू जस्ट सी हियर व्हाट इज. सो आई रिक्वायर्ड हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ हीट. इंपॉर्टेंट, इन पायरोलिसिस आल्सो वी रिक्वायर हीट. सो हीट कितना चाहिए? टेम्परेचर एंड हीट एंड प्रेशर. सो आई एम राइटिंग एटमॉस्फेयर. सो हीट हमारा पड़ जाएगा यहाँ पर 773 केल्विन. इसको आप कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे तो इसका कितना बनेगा? रफली 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस रफली. ओके, एटमॉस्फेरिक कितना है? 10 to 20. इफ यू टेक मीन ऑफ दैट इट बिकम व्हाट? 10 plus 20, 30, 30 डिवाइड बाय 2, 15 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. ठीक है, कितना हो गया? 15 एटमॉस्फेयर. 15 atmosphere. Now I have to use what? Catalyst. I have to use catalyst. For the catalyst we have Cr2O3 chromium. We can take vanadium V2O5. We can take okay, like this. These are the catalysts which increase the reactions. Now observe carefully here. Here the concept comes. Okay. Now benzene we have on how many they make? 6. 6 atoms of carbon. Molecular formula of benzene is what? C6H6. So okay. Now see how if they make the carbon bonds is making here double bond, so it will leave this one and here it make alternative. If it is not here, then this may be, because we are not sure where the carbon is making double bonds in this, so it may be make bond here also. Like this, here is aromatic, here it's making, then it leave this one, make here, it leave this one. Then here you can write. Now you know what is we have here, C6H6. That means nothing but a benzene. C6H6. Now you count how many atoms of hydrogen, how many atoms of carbon you have here? 6. 6 is here. Both are the same. It's not 2. It's single. Because just we are not identify where the carbon making double bonds. I have written like this. So this is also this and this may be. Both are the same only. Okay. Now how many atoms of carbon I have here? 6. Here is also 6. Here is also 6. How many atoms of hydrogen I have here? 6 in benzene. Here how many we have here? 3 plus 3, which I calculated how much atoms of hydrogen I got? 14. So 14 minus 6, how much? So how many atoms of hydrogen removed? 14 minus 6, how much? 8. So 8 atoms of hydrogen removed. This is called dehydrogenated. That means loss of hydrogen. When it lose, then only it is able to make a ring. So that is making of ring is called aromatizations. So remember the benzene, it has a one interesting character. It's give you order, fragrance or smell, and it's colorful. Whereas the saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon doesn't have color and all order. Now I hope this concept is clear for you. Remember that to make aromatization we require a catalyst, we require heat and atmospheric pressure with a catalyst. Then only this ring, this are you able to see this one, they will make. So making of ring in simple terms is called aromatization. Making of ring is called aromatizations in hydrocarbons. So this is called aromatizations. Now the important concept called pyrolysis. So what is a pyrolysis all about? So pyrolysis is higher alkanes on heating on higher temperature decomposes into lower alkanes. It is also called one of the thermal reaction. It is also called one of the thermal reactions. Okay. So by the application of heat, so we can say the higher alkane on heating on higher temperature decompose into lower alkanes or alkanes. It is also called thermal decomposition and by heating applications. Okay. Now for example you can think C6H14. Now I use C6H14 Now see, the pyrolysis means with the higher alkane, I am able to break the alkane to the lower alkanes or alkenes with the application of heat. It's called pyrolysis. So what is the pyrolysis? What I got it? I got ethylene, I got methane, I got what? Cyclohexane with the help of N-hexane, which is also called isomer of chain. So with this concept, we can understand what is a pyrolysis. What do you mean by decomposition? What happened in decomposition? We can know about this.
Isomerization is nothing but to make straight chain into branches or branch. Simple terms. Okay, you can take the example like this. Take N-pentane. Pentane means 5. Okay, 5. CS3, CS2, CS2, CS2 and CH3. Making it. Now this is called what? N-pentane. We can call this also alkane. Okay, N-pentane. This is in which structure? Straight chain structure. Okay. Now with the help of catalyst and conditions, what I will do here? Anhydrous. Aluminum chloride and concentration HCl catalyst. We can say catalyst. Heat gives. Okay, gives. What is it? Remember, this is straight chain N-pentane. Same structure. Okay, same components of carbon, same components of hydrogen. That the structure, little structure get changed, and it got branch here. See here what I'm doing here. See. Okay. Okay, now this got one branch here, but here we don't have a branch. Now next, no, this is called isopentane. This is called नियोपेंटेन. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? यहां पर स्ट्रेट चेन था, उसको विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनहाइड्रस मीन विदाउट वाटर, एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड विद द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड और हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैटलिस्ट व्हिच इंक्रीज द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. ये स्ट्रेट चेन को उसने क्या किया? ब्रेक कर दिया. और उसने क्या कर दिया? ब्रेक नहीं माने इसको ब्रांचेस बना दिया, और इसको हम बोलते हैं आइसोपेंटेन, इसे बोलते हैं नियोपेंटेन. सो इसको कॉमन नेम हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, इसको 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl means 1 here, 2 here. Under 2 it's making a methyl. So 2-methyl butane. Here you just see 1, 2, 3. 2 we have, how many methyl we have? 2 methyl we have here. So we have to say 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Okay, so with this isomerization, one thing is very common in isomerizations, aromatizations and pyrolysis. Both 3 of them require the heating procedure and catalyst. So in pyrolysis, what happened? A bigger alkanes break into, with the help of heat, it decomposes and it becomes smaller alkanes. Okay, in aromatizations, or to make a benzene ring, we have we remove the hydrogen. Now here what happened? We have make the branches from the straight chain. We have made branches here with the help of anhydrous, okay, catalyst of aluminum chloride and concentration hydrochloric acid with the help of heat. So this is how the hydrocarbons work. Okay, and it is generally used in petrochemicals as an application of fuel. Okay, that's all.